Breakfast Club on Jam at 94.5.
Wicked dope.
Nobody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah. Hey, I remember syrup sandwiches and crime allowances, but never none of them with some counterfeits. But now I'm counting this. I wish I with my accountant looking when I'm down in this. I say with my roommate takes like really for the analyst.
Where you'll find phenomenal brands for less. Get 50% off everything in the store at Savers. Sunday, August 5th. Savers, the world's greatest thrift shop.
Tonight, imagine a place where everything is possible and summer never ends. Tonight on MTV, escape with the new series Siesta Key. The network that brought you The Hills is giving you a perfect new summer series. Follow the romance, the adventure, and the drama of a group of best friends figuring it out on the Florida shore. Paradise isn't always what it seems. Welcome to Siesta Key. The new series premieres tonight at 9, only on MTV.
From the KISS 108 Jeep Weather Center.
KISS 108.
Perfect.
What the fuck is that guy doing?
With blue skies, and that will stick around for the next couple of days. The humidity rolling in later in the week.
This report is brought to you by Dunkin' Donuts. It's the summer of coffee at Dunkin'. What could be better than a s'mores frozen Dunkin' coffee, butter pecan iced coffee, or a coconut cream pie cold brew on a hot summer day? Nothing. America runs on Dunkin'. Price and participation may vary. Limited time offer.